Hi, I'm Priyanka, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful apartment that's fully furnished and has modern upgrades. Come, let's check this apartment out. This apartment is on a high floor with stunning views of the canal. The upgrades include brand new flooring all throughout, a modern themed kitchen with integrated German appliances, and a contrasting black and white color scheme. The apartment comes with a separate laundry room that is additional storage space, perfect for storing away those suitcases. The bathroom has a stone finish with a walk-in shower and brand new sanitary ware. The beautiful bedroom is bright and spacious with upgraded wardrobes, and the large balcony that overlooks the canal connects the bedroom and living area, and it's the perfect spot for you to enjoy your morning coffee. Call me today to view this stunning property that's a great investment choice as well as a perfect home for singles or couples. This apartment is located in the Views, which is one of the most greenest communities in Dubai. As you can clearly see, it has beautiful parkways that connects through the community. It's pet friendly and it's located on the Sheikh Zayed Road with close proximity to Dubai Media City and Dubai Internet City. It's just 5 minutes away, 10 minutes to Mall of the Emirates or Dubai Marina or the Palm Jumeirah. So the location wise, it's perfect, ideal for couples, singles or families who love the outdoors and who love walking. You can walk to cafes, you can walk to the supermarket, and it's a beautiful place to call as your home because it's really green and well located. You never get traffic jams here. Each street connects out and joins into Sheikh Zayed Road. So yeah, call me today and let's book a viewing to make this apartment your home. It's a perfect investment choice, and I think you would never regret for buying this apartment.